when you call the print function on a string, it will be print out as it is. So hello world with the first letter of each word as an uppercase, it will print it as specified. Now if I want to change that, so it will be printed as specified hello world. Now if I want to change that, I want to, instead of printing the phrase as it is, I want to print it out with all letters uppercase. All I have to do is to call the method upper that is defined for the object string, which has the value hello world. Now if I run the code again, it will print all the letters capitalized, or all the letters with an uppercase. Now if I want to, instead of printing everything in uppercase, I want to print everything in lowercase. So what I will do is just call lower and it will work. It printed everything in lowercase. So for right now, we talked about two methods that change the case formatting of a string. We talked about upper, we talked about lower. Now an interesting one is called title. Instead of having hello world with title casing, which is a first letter of each word written in a capitalized form or written in uppercase. Let's say I have print this phrase. It will be printed as it is. But now if I say print this phrase in uppercase, in title. Now if I say print this phrase in title, it will print this phrase with the letters T and P in uppercases. So this is the third method of formatting the casing of a string. We called upper, lower, title. Now we are going to try another one. Let's say we have our previous hello world with a title case, which means the first letter of each word in uppercase. So I'm going to call swap case, and now it will do the contrary. It will take each uppercase letter and change it to, convert it to a lowercase letter, and each lowercase letter change it to an uppercase letter, and here is the result. If I change the phrase, let's say just random position of uppercase and lowercase to verify that it swaps not accordingly to the title case, but according to the format of the characters themselves. We can see that each uppercase changed into a lowercase and each lowercase changed into an uppercase. We talked about upper, lower, title, swap case. Now we are going to talk about another method, which is the method capitalize. I'm going to print hello world again, or another phrase. I'm going to print this is another phrase and see what it does. First we are going to call title just to verify what title does and compare it. So it changed each first character of each word to an uppercase letter. Now we are going to call, instead of title, capitalize. If we call capitalize, we can see that it changed only the first letter of the phrase. So only the first letter of the phrase will be capitalized or will be changed into an uppercase. This was the first method. This was the fifth method, and finally our sixth method. So we have this last one, which is a little bit special. So there is this special characters in German alphabet that have particular lowercase counterpart. So if we use lower, it will not work on them. We have to use case fold to convert them. We have this German character, assets. If I'm not pronouncing it right, please let me know in the comment below. Tell me how it's pronounced. So to write it on a keyboard, I will use the Alt key plus L223. Here it is. It wrote assets. Now, if I print it as it is, it will print the character as it is. Now, if I add, I will call the casefold function, or the casefold method, casefold, and call, it will magically print S instead of assets. So we wrote a casefold version of this assets character. So thank you for watching, and if you need to know something else, let me know in the comments below. Bye.